On my back to CapCut, let me show you this Rockin-In transition. 2 clips in the timeline, simple jump cut, that's where we start. Select the last one, so the second one here. Go to animation, in. And here you want to search for Rockin. We have vertically and horizontally. Horizontally is especially good for these TikTok 9x16 formats. I use it here as well. But it's a little bit long by default, I think, so go down to 0.3. Then go to the first clip, out, animation, and find the regular fade out. Let me try 0.6. That's a little bit too long, I go down to 0.4. That's the basic effect. So the first one fades out, second one rocks in. We can add a little bit of a flash effect to it. Go to library, use a white background, place it on top. We go to the start of the animation right here. And then to the end, I use the split tool. B is the shortkey for it, and cut it. And now we have 3 points. Start, mid, end. We'll select this white clip, set the blending mode to overlay, and we'll create an animation for the opacity for start, mid and end. Start and end should be at 0. So go down here. I switch to the first keyframe at the start, go to 0. And now it flashes up. If that's too hard for you, go to the center and go down to maybe like 60% here. So it's a little bit smoother. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.